Hello everyone, this is your friend Tarot Card Reader Prajakta Patil, and today I'm here to do your weekly tarot card reading for the week starting from 29th of March 2021 till 4th of April 2021. Now there is a good news that I am going to share with you. It's not a good news really, but it is an information wherein you can just feel quite relaxed. There are many people who feel that they are seeing a same kind of dream every time or in a regular interval. They see vivid dreams which are related to their life. They see their relatives and their family members in it, and there is something which is unanswerable. Okay, so what happens is, not every time the dreams are telling you something, but for the most of the times, yes, they are trying to tell you something. Also, it is not a fact that if you are seeing a bad dream, that means something bad is going to happen with you. Or even if you see something very weird, that is not acceptable, and you feel that this should not happen, so don't worry. It does not mean that it is actually going to happen, but yes, there are going to be some meanings behind it. So if you feel that it is scaring you a lot, or if you want to know what is there, because there might be some ancestral things which have been done, and then you want to just change it with your karma, and if you want to know how to get rid of it, because it might be affecting your life now. Okay, so better you can just directly contact us on 8451872244 for all the answers regarding it. Okay, so now we will go ahead with the weekly tarot card reading. Okay. Okay. So as usual, we will start with the love relationships. Now this is the card that we've got for love relationships. So as the card says, you have to work a lot harder to impress your partner, or to get the things that your partner wants. See, the week is going to be quite romantic. The card with romance has come very clearly in the love relationships position. Okay, so when this comes, it is clearly telling you that it is going to be this week is going to be with a lot of romance within you guys. And also remember that you have to take efforts for something. Okay, you might be wanting a partner to get married to, or you might be you might be wanting to propose someone, or you want to share your feelings with someone. So this all is going to happen only when you are going to take those efforts, and you are going to tell them clearly. Okay, so you have to communicate effectively so that the person knows what you mean. Okay, what I feel is, when the romance card is here, I feel that if you guys are not sharing anything which is a vital information about yourself, I think you should share that. You should be committed to each other. If you are trying to um, you know just hide something which that partner needs to know, it will not be good for you, because somehow it will create negative karma for you, because you are cheating on them. Okay, somehow you are cheating on them, so this should not be done. Okay, this is the factor. So now we know that what is going to happen in case of love relationships. So this week is going to be quite romantic for all of you. Okay, now we will turn on to the career life aspect. Okay, this is the strength card. So and I'll show you the second card, which is be assertive. Okay, so there will be challenges in your career life, there will be sudden changes in your life, there will be problematic situations in your career life, but please remember that with love, with assertiveness, with kind gestures, with kind behavior, you will turn into a reality and a positive reality. Okay, so don't forget that your behavior will make a difference. If you be in a mind that I won't be able to do it, or how do I do it, I don't know, I'm confused, nothing will happen. Okay, just try to mold the situation as you want. This will help you a lot, and it will definitely create a positive environment for you in your career life. Okay, so please be assertive. Now we will move on to the family life. See, this is the card. So surely many of you will have you will listen to, or you will get to hear to so many good opportunities regarding your family members, that they are going to have a foreign opportunity, job opportunity, or say business related, or they will have foreign travels soon. Okay, so this is going to happen. Also, what I feel is those who are there in your family member with leg pain or say knee pain, please pay attention to them, because it may increase. Okay, due to some incident it may increase and it may create pain for them. So please take them to the doctor and do the required treatment for it. Okay, please do not ignore that. Also, what I feel is many of you will be having water retention problems. Okay, so please make sure that you are always hydrated, you are not dehydrated. If you feel certain problems regarding water and your body, please go to the doctor as soon as possible. Please do not ignore these signs. Okay, many of your family members are also turning towards spirituality in this week. So that's a very good thing, because it will make peace in your life. Okay, the second card in the family life is remain positive. Okay, so you have to be very positive. Even if these situations are happening, you have to be positive, because they'll come and they'll go. You will just have to act very practically on it. Okay, so that is it for the family life. Now we will move on to the children's aspect. So now when we think about children, now this is the chariot card, and as we see, there is a vehicle. Please make sure when your children are with vehicle, or they are driving any small vehicle, or say they are doing cycling with their friends or around the house, please make sure that you have an eye on it. Okay, it may create problems, or it may hurt them slightly, but you should just pay attention to it. Okay, also what I feel is there are many children, those who are just going to be very stubborn, or they will be demanding a vehicle or a cycle for them. So you have to deal with it. They will ask for things, and you know what you have to do. So this is the card opportunity in the children's aspect. So when we say opportunity, they will be having lot of opportunities regarding their education. They'll be having some competitions, or say some drawing competitions, or online competitions. So if you see certain situation or opportunity, please go for it, because this will give them success, because we have the chariot card. Okay, so this is going to be quite successful. Let them explore the competition, let them learn something new, whether it is their forte or not. Please let them do it. It will create confidence in them. Okay, so this is it for the next week, and I hope it helped you. For tarot card reading sessions, please WhatsApp me on 8451 872244. Stay blessed. Thank you.